Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there was a curious little girl named Solala. Solala really loved to explore and discover new things. But there was one thing she hadn't quite mastered yet, the alphabet. Her mom and dad tried teaching her the ABCs, but Solala always got stuck somewhere around the letter G. As she walked through the village, she met Mr. Owl, the wisest creature in the village, walking around his house. "Good morning, Mr. Owl," Solala called out. "I'm on a mission to learn ABCs. Can you help me?" Mr. Owl hooted softly and said,
Of course, Sulala. The alphabet is all around us, if you just know where to look.
Mr. Owl saw to a bright apple tree nearby.
A is for apple.
He said. Solala repeated, "A is for apple," and picked a shiny red apple from the tree. She felt a tiny bit more confident already. Next, she wandered into Mrs. Bee garden, where colorful butterflies fluttered about. "B is for butterfly," Mrs. Bee buzzed. Solala giggled and said, "B is for butterfly," as one delicate butterfly landed on her hand. She continued her journey, finding C for cat when she reminded of her cat at home. They are so cute and very lovable. And D for her sister dog at home. Her sister loved dogs so much. Solala's adventure took her to many wonderful places. E for elephant when she walked into the forest last week. F for flower when she admired with Mrs. Bee garden. Solala really loved flowers. G for giraffe as she watched a tall giraffe munching on leaves. H for hat. Solala always wear hat for the sunny days. She met an iguana named Izzy for eye. Solala wished that she can visit aquarium to look jellyfish. Jellyfish for letter J. Every evening, Solala flew a kite for K with his dad. It's their favorite time together. When Solala reached L, she saw a beautiful rainbow and remembered that L was for lion, which she had seen in a book. But for the first time, Solala met a lion in the forest. It's the time to sleep. She got to M. The moon was rising, reminding her that M is for the moon. Solala looked out from her window. "What a pretty moon," she said.
It's night, darling. Time to sleep.
Said Mom. "Aha, and for the night," said Solala. O for owl. "Look, it's a friend of Mr. Owl." And P for pumpkin in a farmer's field. I remind with my grandparents have a field of pumpkin for Halloween. As the star twinkled, it's time for read a book with her mom. She identified Key for queen in a storybook. R for rabbit hopping in the field. Her rabbit in the backyard. She played with her rabbit in the afternoon. And S for star shining above in the dark of night. She looked out the window and looked T for tree. Her mom gave U for umbrella. She carried just in case of the rain. Solala loved music. Her favorite is V for violin in her pinky room. Finally, she saw W for waterfall at her backyard. Her dad just made it next to the rabbit house. X for xylophone, her favorite toy when she was a baby. Y for yogurt, her favorite snacks. Every morning, Solala always eat yogurt for breakfast. And the last letter of alphabet is Z for zebra in the forest, black and white. Mr. Owl smiled and said,
Well done, Solala. Remember, Learning is an adventure that never ends. There's always something new to discover.
From that day, Sulala loved to read and write, and she always remembered her special adventure that taught her the ABCs. And so, Sulala love for learning grew just like the village around her, full of endless wonders and discoveries.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video and please subscribe to Sulala's Stories. See you next time. Bye!